Vlogmas, and I think by the time you watch this, it'll be Christmas time. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, because this will actually be my last Vlogmas. It's been such a wonderful ride, and even though I wasn't able to document a lot, it's still a pretty nice magical Christmas for me, and I hope it is for you as well. So yeah, today is actually December 23rd, and it's about 9 something now in the morning. I am getting ready because I'm gonna see Vincent and we're going to this Christmas train. I am very excited to have this one last Christmas trip before the Christmas, and yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. So before we go, I am actually going to open the rest of my advent calendar. I haven't been opening them for the past few days now, so I'm gonna open a bunch of them all the way to 24th, which will be tomorrow, the last one, today as well. So let's go and get the advent calendar. It's been a great advent calendar. Too bad I'm not very good at opening them each day. I might get better though by the year. But that's the last look of the ritual advent calendar. And now let's pick up all the boxes. I'm gonna get this one. Let me start. And the last one is over here. Oopsie. Alright, so I have all the 3 boxes that I need to open now. Let's start with the 22nd. Ooh, instant care hand lotion. I do need hand lotion so bad. I thought I wouldn't be getting one in the advent calendar, but yeah, excited. Oh, it smells good too. Okay, move on to the 23rd. It's a small one. Oh, it's a lip care. Wow, natural lip care. Interesting. I think I just pop it. Oops. Feels very Chanel-esque. Oh, it smells good too. This is good. And now for the last one. This is actually kind of heavy. I wonder if this is a candle. I hope it's something awesome. Let's see. Very weird. Is it a nail polish or no? Oh! Oh, it's a parfum. Oh, the perfume. What does it say here? Festive fragrance. Soleil d'Or radiates positive energy and refreshment for if summer is still too far away for you. Yes, that's so cool. Yeah, I think so. Oh! It's kind of similar to Clinic Happy perfume. This is for summer. I think it works for winter too. I think I'm gonna spritz this on today. This will be wonderful. Oh, it smells so good. I actually like that. Yeah, this reminds me of Clinic Happy perfume. And it's almost like I need to see the notes in this. This is very interesting. The vibrant fragrance takes you to the beautiful coast of India, where the sun warms up the gold sand and turquoise waters. Oh. Okay, so the notes are pear, mandarin, and bergamot. And then there's also freesia and lotus flower, complemented with a radiant yet subtle dry down of cedarwood and musks. I like it. Although after a while it does give a scent of body mist in a way, not like very perfume like, you know, like a, do you know like sometimes there are some fragrance that's like you can find in most body mists, and there are fragrances that's pertain to only perfumes. Am I making sense? Something like that. So did I show you the others that I got as well from the Ritual Advent Calendar? Here's like a little recap. I got some coconut milk bath, and then what else? Did I show you? I have the body scrub as well, and then body cream. I'm not sure if I show you this. It's a shimmering body oil. It's been so wonderful, and I really liked all of the products. Wondering if I should get the same advent calendar next year as well or not. I guess that depends what packaging, how unique and cool the packaging would be. But I've been really enjoying all these ritual products. They're all wonderful. Okay, so now let's get ready because I need to leave soon. It's gonna be chilly. This is the coat from Zara. That would be my choice. And to fight against the cold, I'm gonna have this Saison scarf. It'll be so cozy.
It's the holiday season everywhere. Time for us to spread the cheer. Hay rides in the snow, the frosty air. Away we go. Time to ring out those merry old bells. That holiday season is here. There's a buzz in the air that's hard to describe. Santa Claus will make his ride. All of the children snuggled in bed. Close your eyes, you sleepy heads. Now is the time of your life. The holiday season is here.
rug, cuddled up in a Christmas hug, riding in Santa's sleigh. Up in front sits a big old guy with sacks of gifts all piled high. Whoa, 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 as on we fly, riding in Santa's sleigh. And all through the night we'll be flying, swooping on down to city and town, then speeding away. And oh, how the reindeer are trying, so each girl and boy gets their perfect toy on Christmas Day. In the sky is early dawn, the last gift gone, we turn for home. Merry Christmas, here we come, riding in Santa's sleigh. The air is cold, but we're warm and snug, all wrapped up in Santa's rug, cuddled up in a Christmas hug, riding in Santa's sleigh. Up in front sits the big old guy with sacks of gifts all piled high. Ho, 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 as on we fly, riding in Santa's sleigh. And all through the night we'll be flying, swooping on down to city and town, then speeding away. And oh, how the reindeer are trying, so each girl and boy gets their perfect toy on Christmas Day. In the sky is early dawn, the last gift gone, we turn for home. Merry Christmas, here we come, riding in Santa's sleigh. Woo, we're riding in Santa's sleigh. Riding in Santa's sleigh.
The holiday's here to greet you, and it's coming around to meet you. We'll let the holidays carry us away. Yeah, it'll carry us away. So, what do you say? It'll make all of our wishes come true.
I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. I tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donder and Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away all. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly when they meet with an
So you enjoy it?
We'll take a winter stroll, footsteps in the snow. We'll let the holidays carry us away. We'll see the lights on display. Everything starts today. So we'll let the holidays, yeah, let the holidays carry us away.